Hi guys, welcome to Nene Math. It's me, Nene, and today we're going to do lesson 4.1%. So let's get started. Mara received one of her math test grades and she got 2 problems correct. If there were 50 problems total, what is the percent of the correct problems? So what we want to do is to solve this problem, I am going to use equivalent fractions because I think that's the best way to solve this problem instead of using multiplication. So what we are going to do is we want to find the percent of the correct problems. So what we want to do is we want to find the amount of problems correct over the total amount of problems correct. So that's going to be P over total. So what I have is Mara got 2 problems correct, which is not that great. But she got 2 problems correct, and she got 50 problems total. So then we're going to do 2 over the 50. And that is our beginning. I'm going to write that a little better. So 2 over 50. So what we know is that to find the total of percents, it would always be 100, because if you do 200 over 100, it would be 200%. 1 over 100 would be 1%. So we're going to use 100 as our total since it's really friendly with percents. So that's our denominator. So now that we know the total, we want the denominator of 50 to get to 100. So I know that 50 times 2 is 100. So we're going to multiply by 2. And whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So then 2 times 2 is 4 over 100. And that is our final answer for this first answer. Oh, and I'm going to write the unit right here. That is going to be 4% of correct problems done. So I'm going to move that right there. Okay, let's move on to our next problem. Mara was having her daily glass of milk and she drank 70 milliliters. If her goal was a total amount of 250 milliliters, what percent of milk did Mara drink? So we want to find the amount of milk she drank. I'm going to do drank over the total. So then we are going to do D over T. So then I know the 70 is the amount she drank, and the 250 is the total amount of milk she has to drink. So I'm going to do 70 over 250, and we're going to make 100 as a denominator since that's really friendly with percents, and it's the total. So now we want 250 to go over 100, but the thing is 250 is greater than 100. So what I would do is I would simplify, divide by 10, or instead of doing that, you can just cross out the zeros. Makes it much easier. And we have 7 over 25, and 25 goes into 100, and you can multiply 25 by 4, and you get 100, and whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So then 7 times 4 is 28 over 100. So that is the amount of percent she drank. So what percent of milk did Mara drink? Mara drank 28%, 28% of milk. And I'm just gonna write Mara drank. That makes it much better. So that's our final answer for the second problem. So that wraps it up for both of these problems. That's lesson 4.1%. I hope you understood this video, and there will be more parts to percents if you are still not sure about them, because there are many other ways you can figure out these kind of problems. So I'll go over them. So I'll see you next time. Bye!